Hi, in this video, I'll be showing this thing I built out of Lego. It's a pretty cool machine, and I used a lot of PV production stuff. So this is a PV production glow wire, the orange glowing thing, and this is a UV light strip, and this is a GBC funnel. And also, the whole point of the machine is when you put in $1, it's gonna let you charge your balls. You put them on this lamp, and then they're gonna go and they'll get charged, and then they'll fall over here. So it says the steps over here. So the first step is to insert a $1 bill. So right now I don't have $1 bills. I only have $2 bills. So I'll use these instead. And then also when you put the money in, it'll wait a few seconds, then it'll open this door for a few seconds, and then that's when you could charge the balls. And then they'll come over here, and you could see how they got charged well. Okay, time to try this out. It says, adjust the lamp and place your gold balls on it. Then put it in. That looks cool. And then they fall over here, and you could see that they're glowing really brightly. So this worked pretty good. And also to get the money back, you pull on this tray over here, and then the money is in there. Yeah, you just take it out. And then you push the tray back in. So this is how my machine works, and I hope you liked it.